Ninth, a detailed framework to assess educational business development opportunities in terms of social and cultural considerations to be made up of cultural sensitivity. Ensure the content, methods, and delivery are culturally appropriate, especially if targeting diverse or global audiences. Social impact. Assess the potential social impact, especially if the venture aims at underserved communities or has broader societal goals. Addressing social and cultural considerations is vital for the success and positive impact of any educational venture, particularly in a globally connected and diverse world. Here's how to approach these aspects. Let's look at identifying key areas of cultural sensitivity. Cultural sensitivity, to be made up of content, appropriateness. Ensure that your educational content is respectful and appropriate for different cultures, especially if targeting a global audience. This includes being mindful of cultural norms, values, history, and sensitivities. Inclusive teaching methods. Adopt inclusive teaching methods and consider different cultural backgrounds. This can include incorporating diverse perspectives and examples in the curriculum and being sensitive to cultural differences in communication and learning styles. Language and localization. For global reach, consider offering content in multiple languages or providing localization options to make the content more accessible and relatable to diverse audiences. And the key areas of social impact. To be made up of targeting underserved communities. If your venture aims to serve underserved communities, assess how your offerings meet their educational needs and challenges. This can include affordability, accessibility, and relevance of the content to their socioeconomic context. Broader societal goals. Evaluate how your educational services contribute to broader societal goals, like reducing educational inequality, promoting lifelong learning, or supporting workforce development. Partnerships for greater impact. Collaborate with NGOs, government bodies, or other organizations that work towards similar social goals. These partnerships can amplify your impact and provide valuable insights and resources. Considering social and cultural factors in your educational venture ensures that your offerings are respectful and inclusive and maximize their potential impact. This approach can help build a positive reputation and foster trust among diverse stakeholders, making your venture more effective and impactful in the long run. 10th, a detailed framework to assess educational business development opportunities. In terms of exit strategy for investors, to be made up of future funding. Consider the potential for future funding rounds or attracting more prominent investors. Sale or merger. Understand the potential for the venture to be sold or merged with a larger entity. Public listing. Consider the feasibility and potential for an IPO if the venture reaches a substantial scale. Developing a clear exit strategy is crucial for investors and founders alike in an educational venture. Here are the key considerations for formulating an effective exit plan. Let's look at identifying key areas of future funding. Future funding, to be made up of attracting further investment. Assess the potential for attracting additional funding rounds, especially as the venture grows and proves its market viability. This includes identifying interested investor groups, such as venture capitalists, educational funds, or impact investors. Valuation. Increases. Consider how the venture can increase its valuation over time, making it a more attractive investment opportunity. This involves scaling the business, diversifying revenue streams, and strengthening its market position. Continue to key areas of sale or merger. to be made up of potential buyers or partners. Identify entities interested in buying or merging with your venture. These could be larger educational companies, technology firms, or other organizations looking to expand their footprint in the education sector. Strategic fit. Understand how your venture fits into the broader market and who might benefit from acquiring it. This includes considering your unique selling points, customer base, technology, or market position. Negotiating terms. Be prepared to negotiate terms that benefit both parties in the event of a sale or merger. This includes the valuation of your venture, the role of the founding team post-merger, and other key terms. And the key areas of public listing, IPO, to be made up of feasibility of an IPO. An initial public offering, IPO, might be a viable exit strategy for ventures that reach a substantial scale. Assess this feasibility based on your venture's financial performance, market conditions, and readiness to meet the regulatory requirements of being a public company. Preparing for public markets. This involves rigorous financial audits, strengthening the management team, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, and developing a strong investor relations strategy. Long-term considerations. Understand the long-term implications of going public, such as the need for transparency, accountability to shareholders, and the pressure of quarterly earnings. In summary, a well-thought-out exit strategy provides a roadmap for investors to realize their investment's value. Whether through future funding rounds, a sale or merger, or a public listing, having clear options can make your educational venture more attractive to investors and help secure the necessary funding for growth. In conclusion, assessing educational business development opportunities requires a multidimensional approach. While lucrative, the education sector is also laden with unique challenges due to its direct impact on learners and society. As such, conducting a thorough assessment is essential to ensure both financial success and meaningful educational outcomes. As we conclude our journey through the intricate landscape of assessing educational business development opportunities, I hope this presentation has illuminated the multifaceted considerations essential for success in this dynamic sector. Remember, each element of our framework, from market analysis to exit strategy, is crucial in building a sustainable and impactful educational venture. May the insights shared today inspire and guide you in making informed decisions, fostering innovation, and ultimately contributing to the transformative power of education. Thank you for your engagement and thoughtful participation. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discussions. Thank you!